Hi there, Clever Mum here. Let's simplify cooking, spark creativity, and savor every bite with ease. The start of something amazing. Think air fryers are just for fries? Imagine a single compact device that not only delivers crisp golden fries, but completely transforms your cooking experience. Seasoned chef, time-strapped parent, kitchen rookie. The air fryer is customized for every lifestyle. With its speed and simplicity, it turns everyday ingredients into masterpieces. Messy kitchen? Forget it. Bored with meals? Not anymore. Stay with me. This gadget might just redefine your kitchen forever. Picture this, a countertop gadget that redefines how a caring mum serves healthy and delicious food for her family. Sure, it makes perfect fries, but how about golden salmon, bakery-style pastries, or savory roasted veggies? Craving snacks? Picture crunchy chickpeas or crispy wings, all done with minimal oil. Eating healthy? Check. Cleaning up in seconds? Also check. Whether your days are blur or you're venturing into a healthier lifestyle, the air fryer delivers convenience and excitement, turning what's for dinner into your favorite question. What's on the menu? Breakfast just got better with veggie-packed frittatas. Snack time, golden mozzarella sticks, no fuss. Lunch, choose crispy salmon and roasted broccoli, or even plant-based tofu with bold marinades. And dessert, think air-fried apple chips or gooey chocolate lava cakes in minutes. The air fryer isn't just a cooking tool, it's the gateway to meals that are faster, easier, and endlessly delicious. As a mum, bring joy and health back to cooking, one crispy bite at a time. Healthier never tasted so good. With the air fryer, say goodbye to greasy, deep-fried meals, but still enjoy crispy fries, crunchy chicken tenders, or even veggie-packed tots. Families love it for picky eaters. Health-conscious cooks cherish it for keto-friendly pork chops or vegan skewers. No compromise. Restaurant-quality results with better nutrition. Clever Mum believes every bite can be indulgent, yet guilt-free, because wellness and flavor can absolutely go hand in hand. Feeling intimidated? Don't be. The air fryer makes cooking approachable, even for busy mums who juggle family meals. Start small. Revive last night's pizza or toast bread effortlessly. Then explore preset settings for flawless wings or veggies. Soon you'll be creating roasted peppers stuffed with cheese or grilling garlic butter. Shrimp skewers. For seasoned chefs, use it to fine-tune. Think roasted nuts or quick-seared scallops. Best part? Dishwasher-safe accessories mean there's no post-cooking hassle. Whether you're experimenting or playing it safe, it's about confidence with every meal you prepare for loved ones. Imagine breakfast with crispy, air-fried hash browns. Lunch brings bold options, marinated chicken thighs or golden-crusted falafel, all cooked to perfection. Hungry for snacks? Kale chips or cheesy nachos take zero effort. Hosting dinner? Impress with steak bites or vegan stuffed mushrooms, full of flavor. And for dessert, air-fried churros or molten cake redefine indulgence. As a mum who loves inspiring others, the air fryer transforms every dish into a masterpiece, turning your kitchen into a haven for culinary imagination. Start dreaming and start cooking for your family or guests with confidence. Ready to revolutionize mealtime? Clever Mum would love to see your recipes. Grab your air fryer, share your kid-friendly or family dishes in the comments, and let's build a kitchen of creators together. Don't stop now, hit subscribe and join Clever Mum for more air fryer hacks, easy healthy recipes and savvy kitchen ideas. Let's create memorable meals for those we cherish and turn cooking into your daily adventure. Thanks for being here. Let's stay creative in the kitchen. Catch you in the next video. Happy air frying, Clever Mums and Dads.